welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be filming this quick hair tutorial and this makeup look for you all. So this is a quick get ready with me. If you all are interested, please stay tuned to the remainder of the video. this is the lipstick that I'm going to pair this with, only because today I am wearing a gray shirt and I feel like that this would bring some color back to the outfit because I'm wearing gray and lime green. If I can remember to add a clip on what I'm wearing for today, I will do so. But we're gonna get into doing this hair. So what I think I'm going to do is do a mohawk. All goes well. I think I'm gonna do a mohawk. I'm not sure. We're gonna try to do a mohawk, okay guys? So stick with me, bear with me. Let me get my products and we're gonna get right back. Okay, so we're gonna start by untwisting this hair. It is so nice and moisturized, you guys. It's actually still wet, still damp. I did my LOC on yesterday where I washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, clay mask, all of that stuff on yesterday. And then I LOC'd and I put it into these twists so that it can attempt to do a little air drying. And I took the boys to the show on yesterday. We went to go see How to Train a Dragon. So my hair takes forever to dry. Anyway, so we went to go see How to Train a Dragon last night. I was looking super hurt. So y'all know I had to put on a scarf, a hat, and a hoodie. Even though it was late, that's not the point. I don't like going outside looking hurt. Especially when I'm with my family. I like to look a little put together. But yesterday I just wasn't feeling it. Okay, so we are on this last twist. If you all can see, them curls are popping. They are popping. They are popping. They are popping. I could just leave it like this. But I'm not. We just gonna do a mohawk. Real quick, easy mohawk. Okay, so change your plans, guys. Because I'm brushing, I'm not gonna do this mohawk. I'm gonna throw this sucker in a ponytail because I gotta go. I literally got 10 minutes to get out of this house. So we're gonna do a high puff, okay? So when you're brushing and you don't have no styles due to this head, a high puff. So there you go. I'm telling you, it's so easy. Gel in there, but it's okay. So I can't find a black hair tie right now, so I'm going to take this large blue one, put it around my neck. I'm wearing blue today anyway, and okay, so this is gonna be my quick little style for today. Because I'm brushing, it'll dry. It'll be so cute once it dry. I'm gonna put a little oil on it and call it a day. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I did a quick little hairstyle. I did this quick little makeup look. I got on a nice little cute little outfit, a little bright. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on those post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. Until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye.